Oh, pero we don't look at it that way. No? Ang ano namin is we feel we can still take this to a game 7. I'm happy with the effort of the guys. Makita mo yung effort ng mga players namin. Ginebra just shot the ball really well. Every time we get some kind of a momentum, pasok yung tres nila, meron pang mga 4. No? So, I think yun yung mga momentum stoppers dun sa laro namin. But I'm not really worried about our next game. Maganda pa rin yung vibes ng team, no, kahit natalo kami ngayon. No, I feel they're very positive still about the Sunday game. You can feel that meron silang kumpiyansa na makakabalik sila. So to me, that's a good sign. Of course, we still need to solve yung mga problems namin na defensive adjustments. But all in all, we were hoping for a long series. Now it's a 6-game series. We might turn it into a 7-game series, which is yung objective namin from the very beginning. So this is still within our This is still within our objective.